How to become a seller on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily become a seller and sell your products on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. After that, now you need to open the Temu application in your device, or either you can go to its official website from any of the web browser. After that, when you try to create your account for selling products, what you need to do is, in the sign up page, you simply need to choose the option of seller Temu account. After that, you need to provide your details, and then after few details and verifying your identification, you will be able to create a seller account on Temu. Now, after you have created your account, you need to know about these three things: about the qualification of the product which you are about to sell in Temu, then after about the trade model, and lastly about the brand qualification. So that's it. That is how easily you can become a seller on Temu. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.